In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a tweet into your Substack post, even though the direct feature has been removed, but don't worry, I have a simple workaround for you. This method involves just a few additional steps, and you'll have your tweet embedded in no time. So first, what you'll need to do is take a screenshot of the tweet you'd like to share with your readers. The screenshot will effectively be serving as the visual representative of the tweet within your post. To do this, simply navigate to the tweet and use your device's screenshot feature to capture it. Keep in mind the screenshot should be clear and capture all the necessary details of the tweet for your audience to see. Once you have taken the screenshot, head over to your Substack draft post and paste the image into the body of your draft. This part is straightforward as it's just like inserting any image into your document. Now that the tweet is visually present in your post, let's move on to linking it to ensure your readers can access the original tweet directly. Next, navigate back to the tweet you took a screenshot of and click the share button, which is usually depicted by a small arrow icon. From the options that appear, you'll want to select copy link. This will give you the URL that directs to the specific tweet, which we will use in the next steps. Now return to your Substack draft. You'll want to click on the image of the tweet to select it for editing. With the image selected, you should notice a toolbar, often referred to as the editing ribbon, appearing near your image or in your post editor. Look for the link or link edit button within this toolbar and click it. This will bring up a pop-up window where you can paste the link you just copied. Paste the tweet's link into that pop-up window and then go ahead and click the link button. This little action adds a hyperlink to your image, transforming it from just a static picture to an interactive element that, when clicked, will take your audience directly to the tweet on Twitter. To ensure everything works seamlessly, it's always a good idea to click Preview in your Substack editor, typically located at the top right corner. Once in preview mode, click on the image to see if it opens the tweet link as expected, and that wraps it up. By following these steps, you've effectively linked your tweet to your Substack post, allowing your readers to view the original tweet with just a simple click. Happy writing and sharing.